Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A70 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go to sound and vibration and select ringtone. We can pick it for simply the first, and now let's come along with all the ringtones, and then once you select the one, you will have to just go back and it will be applied. So let's start with Asteroid. Okay, so it's definitely muted. Let me volume up the ringtone. And let me pick, for example, Pluto, then smoothly go back, and as you can see, it has been changed. So this is it. This is how you can change ringtone on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.